Okay guys, so today we are going to learn how to make almond meal. As far as I have read on the internet, there is a difference between almond meal and almond flour. So basically the difference is almond meal has the skin on, the almond has the skin on, while the almond flour, the almond is peeled off. So this is the one that I have at home today. I just got this one yesterday for $4. This package, it has 10 ounces package for $4. So I just wanted to try today and see how that goes. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend it in my Ninja blender, nothing else. So I'm going to open it up and put it in here, blend it for about 3 minutes and let you guys know how that comes out. Okay, so this thing is all set. Like I said, I have a 10 ounces package. I put it inside my blender and I'm going to do it in high and sorry guys, I'm using only one hand because I have my son in my other hand. So let me open it up and see how this is looking like. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking like. What I'm going to do is I am going to put it in this so I can make it thin. Let's see. I want it very fine so I can bake some chocolate cake tonight. Okay, let me just do it with everything that I have. And then I'm gonna keep grinding it until everything is so fine. And then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay guys, so this is the end result. I am pretty happy with it. It's fine, very fine. I blended, then I put it in the strainer, and then I shook it up a little bit, and this is the final results. Good luck guys, give me thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and if you have any comments, please let me know. Bye bye.